If you want to save your game progress on Steam Cloud, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn on Steam Cloud in the Steam client, and then how to enable cloud saves for a specific game. This is a super useful feature because it helps keep your save files synced across devices, so if you switch computers or reinstall a game, your progress can still be there. If this video helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy gaming tutorials. Now let's jump in. First, open the Steam client on your computer. Once Steam is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click Steam. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This is where you can change all kinds of Steam preferences, including cloud syncing. Inside the Settings menu, look for the Cloud tab and click it. Here, you'll see the main Steam Cloud option. Make sure Enable Steam Cloud Sync for applications which support it is turned on. If it's off, toggle it on right away. This setting allows Steam to back up and sync save data for games that support cloud saving. Now that setting is great for Steam overall, but if you want to make sure cloud saves are enabled for a specific game, you'll want to check that game's own properties too. Go to your library and find the game you want to manage. Right-click the game and select Properties from the menu. When the Properties window opens, stay on the General tab. In this section, look for the Steam Cloud area. You should see an option that says Keep Game Saves in the Steam Cloud for Game Name. Turn that setting on. This tells Steam to store that game's save data in the cloud whenever the game supports it. Once that's enabled, Steam should start syncing your progress automatically when you play and close the game, as long as the game supports Steam Cloud. It's always a good idea to give Steam a moment after you exit a game so it has time to upload the latest save file. And that's it. You've now turned on Steam Cloud in the Steam settings and enabled cloud saving for a specific game. This is one of the easiest ways to protect your progress and keep your saves available across different devices. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more simple gaming tips just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.